Now it's time to bleed the brakes so my wife doesn't rear end any more people. That's the plan. I wouldn't blame the brakes for her rear ending anybody, but I'd just say, I'm not saying it didn't happen. Okay, so I guess looks like a little valve. You put fluid in here, you put it in the reservoir. This uses back pressure to vacuum it out. And this goes on the actual nipple. Okay. And these are this to stand in the deal. Alright, I guess there's a couple different size ones for the different reservoirs. Anyway, I'm going to go underneath the hood and see where that's at. I need to put this on here. I'll use some of this tape. Okay. That's hooked up. Now we're going to go to the car. So in order to get to your reservoir for your brakes, it is in here. And although it's only one little pin to take out, one of these deals, where you kind of pull this thing out and it slides out, it goes right here. And then that's the only thing really holding it in. So you pull that out. This clips on here. This clips right in here. And then you squeeze this to pop it out. And then you have your brakes. So I'll just set this over here. And here's the cap. Actually, the fluid looks really clean. You can kind of see how clean it is in there. This is a 2015. It's been 3 years old. I don't know if it's ever been done. So it can't hurt to just get it done, I guess. So next steps is I found the right connector that fits in this reservoir. You want it to where it kind of locks in there, fits really nice. I have the valve open. Fits really nice in there and sturdy, where it's not going to tip out. So I found the right one. It's like the second to largest one in there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fill this container with some brake fluid. Alright, so I went ahead and filled this thing up. I filled up the reservoir as well. I filled up this tank. I'm going to open it up. This should keep it from overflowing. So this will keep fluid going into the system while we bleed it. The first place you start on the car is the back rear passenger. So I'm going to go ahead and pull the tire off and do it. I'm pretty sure I could do it with the tire on it, but I don't really want to. And I have air tools. It'll be easy for me. So let's go ahead and go back there and get it done. Alright, so this thing was a pain in the butt to take off. So I'm going to use some sandpaper. I'm going to clean this up a little bit. It has some rust and corrosion on it. I mean, it is brakes. That's kind of the nature of the beast. So that's what you'll be seeing me do for the next few minutes. That'll make it easier to get on and off. The valve. The valve is right here behind the caliper. It has like a little connector on top of it. So I am going to, this one right here, I'm going to go ahead and press this thing onto there. And then I'm going to start this up. So on this car, it was 11 millimeter to open it up. So let's see how this works. So I was able to pull the stuff that was in the reservoir out all the way through the line. I know they say to squeegee it out, or not squeegee, but try to get it out of the reservoir, but I didn't really have anything to get it out of. So I pulled this much through. It is pretty nasty, but I started seeing the new stuff come through. So yes, this concludes this one. I'm gonna go around and do the rest, check the brakes, drive around, make sure it feels okay. Hopefully this worked out as expected. Alright, I just got done with the passenger side, the driver's side. I got them all done. And just remember, you got to do them in order. You got to do the furthest to the nearest. So the back passenger side, the driver's side back, passenger side front, and then this tire over here, and then you're good. So I had just finished. Now it's time to put this all away, put the cap on. Make sure you have good level in here, which I do. Okay, let's throw this bad boy back in. Okay. Put the one clip back in. All right. And now I am finished underneath the hood. All right, now that we have finished, we just have to reset the code. So we'll do the same thing we did last time. Hit the power button, hold this button. I'll wait for all this stuff to do its thing. Okay, reset possible, yes. Brake fluid, we will hold this one. Reset, yes. Okay, now it's resetting. Okay. Let's see what the vehicle status says. Okay, that's supposed to do that. Service required. Okay. Front brake pads, rear brake pads, check brake fluid. 2 years. Cool. Anyway, we're gonna have to go take this for a ride. Test it all. In case you were wondering, that's how much fluid I pulled out. And it really wasn't too bad, but better safe than sorry. Anyway, let's go take this beast for a ride. Oh, oops. What does that mean? Well, the brakes work, car's working good, I don't see any errors. I would say this is a success. If you would like to see more on the BMW, let me know what you'd like to see. If there's things that you struggle with, let me know. Until next time, thanks for viewing. Please subscribe. Thanks, bye. If you have stayed through the whole video, I really appreciate it. And I would like to give away one of these brake fluid bleeders to one of my subscribers. So I would ask that you guys only do the two things. If you're not already a subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. And make a comment below on this video where I show you guys how to use this and bleed your brakes on BMW. That's all that I ask. We'll be giving this away on September 30th. So just make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and make a comment in this video. That'll be your entry. It could be, hey, you did a great job, I wanted to get one of these for a while. Whatever you want to do for a comment. That's all that I ask. And if you do like my content, I'd ask that you guys stick around. Watch my videos. Check out my other videos. Anyway, I appreciate everyone that subscribes to my channel and all the content and comments that you guys have provided me. And this is my way of giving back. Right now I have like 51 subscribers. Going strong. So I really appreciate everyone watching my videos. So here you go. Chance to win a brake fluid bleeder of your own. Again, it will be a brand new one. It is not a used one. Purchased from Almighty Harbor Freight. Thanks, guys. Until next time.